Alright, barn update. So we got the front door put on. And these will stay open pretty much, all the time. And then almost all of the ceiling and the walls are on, and these are going to be coated with synthetic stucco, just like a lightweight stucco. And they're going to do the gable ends, they're going to do the columns, that gable end as well. So moving along, kind of slow, but they're moving. Nothing different yet in here. They're going to come tomorrow and spray foam the rest of this. Not sure yet if they're doing the wall all the way up or not. In here they are, because this is going to be like its own. This is going to be like its own room with the AC right there. So along here, the foam's going to go all the way to the top to kind of separate it. Otherwise, just the drywall, it's not really drywall, but the DensGlass layer would be the only thing insulating this from the whole rest of the attic. So wouldn't really do a whole lot. And we had some concerns about having a completely sealed cavity above, being that the spray foam is on the roof deck. We weren't crazy about that, so we're going to put in vented soffit all along here and then over there as well, to kind of help with some airflow. So that's where we're at. It's coming along. All this is still the same though.